Namaste everybody, welcome to Roncom. Yes, I got a new haircut. You don't have to tell it to me in the comment section, but what you can do is tell me if it's looking good on me or no. And second, yes, this is not my room, it's my friend's room. He's doing his work over there and I'm doing my work over here. So today, I'm going to make a reaction video. It's not one of the vlogs, it's something different. If you're a grill and you're watching this video, have you ever received any creepy DMs from creepy single guys? I mean, why am I even asking that? That's common. That happens with every girl over here. But still, have you? If you have, this video is for you. I don't know if it's gonna help you in any way. It won't actually, but you can relate, I think. So keep watching. And also, a fun fact: all the screenshots that I'm going to read out today, all these are from only one grill. These screenshots are not from many grills. So just imagine if I had asked for more screenshots from my other friends, this video would have been 1 hour long, which I cannot afford because I don't have the data to upload and you don't have the time to watch. You do have the time to watch, but you won't because you don't even watch my 10-minute full videos. Yes, I see the statistics. Please do watch my videos. Please, it will help me make more videos. My friend went for a potty break, so I have the entire room to myself. I'm going to do what I came here to do. So let's start off with the first screenshot that I have over here. Let's see what we have over here. And also I've only read these, a few of these. I've not even read each of the screenshots. So even I'm gonna read out with you. It's first time for me. Most of it is first time for me. So first one, we have 8th Feb. Hey. 2nd March, hey, how are you? 2nd March, hey. 27th April, hey babe. Ha. May 14th, hey dear. Saturday, hey. Like, I don't get it. Like, if I were a girl, how do you not melt to this? Look at the consistency. He's consistent every month. It's there every month, one message every month. Guys, if you really want to know what discipline means and what determination is, this is for you. This is a pure example of determination and sheer will. Please, but do not get motivated by him and do what he's doing or else my channel will, Please, no, please don't. Please, I've just started. Please. Let's move on to the next screenshot that we have over here. Okay, this is a big one. To be honest, would love to be killed by you. What? To be honest, would love to be killed by you. Cause your eyes already made me half dead. अबे पागल है के? No, but on a serious note, really good one. Guys, do you like my eyes? Do you find my eyes beautiful? Do you? XYZ, do you like raisins? I know where this is going. Naughty. XYZ, do you like raisins? How about a date? No, but on a serious note, I'm from the fitness industry and like raisins and dates are really healthy for you. So he was just maybe concerned about her health maybe. He's looking after you, man. That's what gentlemen do. Chivalry is not dead, okay? And if you say chivalry is dead, look at the screenshot again and rethink your entire existence, okay? Rethink. Move on to the next one. Hi. Can I ask us anything? Are you... This is a bit confusing. Let me analyze this question first. Hi. Can I ask us anything? Are you going for MTV new reality show audition? Okay, I can give this one a pass because this is not exactly a creepy DM. This is a genuine question because maybe he actually is concerned. He finds the lady qualified enough for the drama and fake reality shows that MTV shows us. So maybe he's actually serious with this question. He actually wants to know. So I think I can give this one a pass. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, chalte hain. Okay, boys and grills, let's move on to the next one. 30 seconds of your time. Okay, seems legit. I have studied psychology and my seniors used to ask me to do this all the time. They had surveys and everything. It's for education purposes, Might be something like that, so it's fair enough. Chalo, let's see what's next. 30 seconds of your time? Sure. Hey, रुक जैकेट किधर है? जैकेट दे मेरे को. Okay guys, on a serious note, if you really want to get inspired by something from this video, get inspired by this one because I'm impressed. I would love to fill that survey. But I'm straight. It's not like I have a problem with gay people. Gay people are lovely. I'm just straight. That's what I'm saying. But really, this one is something to get inspired by because this is legendary. Okay, so it took me some time to get over the last one because I was too impressed by it. Also, why is he coming in my frame? Gango. Perfect. Let's move on to the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Hi yaar, please reply कर देना यार, कर देना यार, इतना स्वीटली तो पूछ रहा है. Look at the innocence of this message. Like he's even saying please with 2Z. That's so innocent. Like just reply to him. Why? Oof. So the last one for today, everybody. I don't want to do this. I just don't want to do this. I was just adjusting the pillow under my ass because I was not comfortable. Ignore that. So also before I leave, on a genuine note to all the guys watching this, single guys, if you have ever done this, like DMing random girls who don't even know you, it's never gonna work, boys. Like as a brother, as a friend, listen to me and don't do that. Please don't do that. It's never going to work because it's a really creepy thing to do and no girl is gonna like that. So try to avoid it. Otherwise it's your wish. You can just ask if they like raisins or no. That's on you. But just my suggestion, don't do that. Keep some class, please. Also, if you genuinely liked it, do one thing for me.
So please whatever.
Hey.